Hi guys, today we'll be cooking chicken and ugali. So let's start by cutting the chicken and then yes, we'll meet again. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you like, comment and turn on the notification bell. Comment what you like me to cook next. After cutting the chicken, now let's boil it. First we start by washing it and then we'll boil it for a maximum of 15 minutes. In another sufuria, let's add maji ya ugali and then we will cook them together simultaneously. As the meat is boiling, let's start by preparing our ingredients. We only use 3 ingredients, that is salt, tomatoes and the cooking oil. We don't need much. We will serve our meat with terere, the pigweed. So let's start by slicing the terere for the preparation. As our meat is continuing to boil, our meat is now ready. It is well cooked and soft. So in a pan, let's add some oil and then we will fry our meat, our chicken, until it is golden brown. After that, Our meat is becoming golden brown, so at this point we will add our sliced potatoes and not sliced tomatoes and onions. Let it fry so that the tomatoes will dissolve and be incorporated in the chicken. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. After that, you add salt to your taste. We will add the broth from the chicken to make it boil faster and make the meat juicier and tender. Another sufuria, let's fry our greens. Add to it a pinch of salt to taste. Add 2 Royco cubes. Devi, nikutume ununue maziwa. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.